Yet another Trump lawyer is going down in flames. Jenna Ellis, who at one point was rumored to have contracted COVID by flatulence, which we don't even know if the medical literature says that that's possible. And again, I'm sort of kidding, but you might remember that shortly after Rudy Giuliani had COVID and was farting all over Jenna Ellis in court, she came down with COVID. But we're just joking here, folks. We're just joking. She now has lost her law license for 3 years in Colorado. Now, many of you are saying, why not permanently? We will get to that. Colorado suspends ex-Trump lawyer Jenna Ellis. It's Jenna Ellis's law license for 3 years over Georgia election lies. Ellis wrote she turned a blind eye during the cynical Stop the Steal campaign. She's a Colorado native. She will not be allowed to practice law in Colorado for at least 3 years under an agreement approved Tuesday by the Colorado Supreme Court. She's from Longmont. She was facing potentially total disbarment after she pled guilty in October to a felony in Georgia. This is where she gave this very teary mea culpa about her involvement. Now they have reached an agreement in Colorado where she will lose her law license for 3 years. In the agreement, lawyers for Ellis and Colorado acknowledge that while disbarment is the presumptive sanction for her misconduct, it is significant that her criminal culpability was due to her conduct as an accessory, not a principal. Basically, they're saying this wasn't her idea. She went along with it. She pushed it forward. But at the end of the day, it wasn't just her idea. So we are not permanently disbarring her. Now, there's a case to be made that 3 years without being able to practice could effectively destroy your future legal career. Can't work as a lawyer for 3 years. Old clients move on if she had any. They probably won't be waiting around to go back to Jenna Ellis 3 years from now. And it is difficult to rebuild a career based on a completely destroyed reputation. And does she even have the money to ride it out for 3 years, or is she going to have to go in a different direction? This is not about relishing or reveling in or relishing the trials and tribulations of others, even if they brought it about themselves. This is about the reality that Trump cares only about himself. It's all about him. Other people be damned. This is lawyers. This is donors. This is campaign workers. This is former staffers. This is aides. This is cabinet members. This is everybody. And there are people in all sorts of different fields that are being hurt all the time by their association with Donald Trump. The people who donated to Trump to get him elected, and then he spent their money on legal defense, and they can't afford food and they're struggling. The people who got sucked into the criminal scheme to try to send a fake slate of electors, and now they are indicted, and some of them can't even afford a lawyer, as we talked about last week. People losing law licenses, Sidney Powell, Rudy Giuliani, the defamation lawsuit, and Jenna Ellis, and so many others. It's like a bull in a china shop, destroying everything. In this case, it's everyone in sight. And it's a reminder. There is one important prism through which Trump sees everything, and it's what is good for him. I've been pro-choice my whole life. I'm running as a Republican. Let me come up with a story for why I'm now against abortion, because that's what would be good for me. Oh, I got the Supreme Court justices to overturn Roe v. Wade. Great. Oh, wait a second. A lot of people don't like that. No problem. Do whatever you want. States can do whatever they want. But would you sign an abortion ban? Yeah, sure, if that's what you want me to do, as long as you vote for me, as long as you donate to me. And so the number of careers destroyed by this guy, really something else. And Jenna Ellis is the latest victim. It is time to start thinking like voters and to make sure that kids understand the importance of voting, how it works, registering, ballot initiatives, because so many kids just have no idea. That's why I wrote the new children's book, Think Like a Voter. I can think of no better time and no more important group of folks to try to reach. The book is now available at davidpakman.com/book, where, by the way, you can get the first 2 books in the series as well. Think Like a Detective and Think Like a Scientist. Really important stuff. Donate them to local libraries, classrooms, read them with the kids. davidpakman.com/book.